Hello and welcome to another episode. In this episode, we will look at how to turn on and use the Sweep Panorama function for the Sony ZV-E10 camera. To begin, press the menu button, and in the first camera tab toward the bottom are the settings for Panorama. These settings, however, are not selectable. The camera must be placed first into Sweep Panorama mode. In the menu, navigate to page 3 titled Shoot Mode Drive. The first option is Shoot Mode. Select this and arrow down to highlight Sweep Panorama Shoot Mode and select this. Now in the menu settings, the panorama options are available. Panorama size determines the size of the panoramic image. For larger panoramic images, select Wide. Panorama direction chooses the direction to move the camera to capture the image. The options are right, left, up, or down. When the ZV-E10 is in standby and Sweep Panorama is turned on, the panorama direction can be quickly changed by scrolling the rear dial found at the top right of the camera. And that is how to turn on and use Sweep Panorama for your Sony ZV-E10 camera. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.